challenge me on the circuit with the Honda Type R. The title sound like you are narrate an exactly or surprising moment, basically saying someone challenge you to a race or competition on the track and you were driving a Honda Civic Type R. It given off a mix of drama challenge me. They challenge me location action on a circuit or type Honda type or emotional surprise the enjoy brand identify automotive drama. They challenge me write the drama part. They challenge me at the hawk that creates city at work because a set of conflicted make people want to see what happened feel personal me make the reviewer feel connection to us perspective hands and a competition and this cause the rise of heck challenge. If you want to learn even hard into the drama of your Honda Civic Type R title, you could try a question like they could beat me on the circuit. Someone challenged my serving by mistake. A direct challenge got instancy and challenge of my Honda Civic 400 watts happened. Location action on circuit exactly to the location action put on the circuit tell me where and what's happened and why there is excitement and connection why did yet where on the circuit and instantly tell motorsports for fun. This is a race track even not anything given a sense of speed and adrenaline and ambulance picturizing made the challenge feel officially and serious on not issue. If you want to play with me location action rise here are a few sweep up and the circuit give and enjoy on the track at the rest circuit and a time attack challenge wall to wall and the circuit head to head on the track surfing down. For example, the challenge me and a circuit showdown with the Honda Civic Type R circuit hyphen Honda Civic Type R ride the car hyphen Ford Honda Civic or at what pool and a car lowers and fun of that specific mode. If you as power enemy is recognized Honda Civic Type R and a legendary hot and the car community performance damage 300 plus HP truck ready hand aggressive reason if you loyalty people who love this car at trick instantly what to see in a title SEO boost car model name and strong search keyword why to make the car hype even strong and a title adds space or performance claim and hand Kawasaki Type R 320 HP mansion mode and Tron Honda Civic Type R use adjective and sense Honda Civic Type R beast mode Civic Type R highlight rising constant track ready Honda Civic Type or example title upgrading the challenge me on a circuit with my 320 HP Honda Civic Type or Honda Civic Type or track betting to barely they didn't see it coming wall to wall and the Honda Civic R for character emotionally surprised they enjoy the emotional surprise for it is spice and your title you what why it work instantly convey feeling without words surprising shock you wanted below this 10 on visually and a sea of latex title imply and lifeless consciously make people wonder causing the reaction works especially will YouTube short TikTok and Instagram reel and emotionally affect trick for using and effectively face and the end, so it act like usually spiraling too many enjoy and shock with advice and shocking surprising confidence lie instantly danger on trial mind blown moment rising the example with violation the challenge me and circuit with the Honda Civic for this district badly got way too close. I wasn't ready of the Osaka Tower shutdown brand identify automotive exactly a brand identify and automotive and a tile and video you are challenge making and channel making and recognizing and blending while making concentrative effort if the video the title with the automotive people start remembering and searching of you credibility clock the professional the official motor sports one brand community blending viewer blending actually and adherent line style and wire you video and automotive search view fan can find all your content and searching automotive list practice on brand placement and the title suspected use a clean break on automotive end of the title keep and the hawk first and the brand as the signature and you found from some style cruise and uploading the recognized example the challenge me on the circuit with the Honda Civic